Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create expressions from patterns. Actually, we have been doing that. For example, when I had a rectangle, and we know that area of a rectangle is how many squares, unit squares are present inside this rectangle. So, when we find how many unit squares are there in this rectangle, for that we divided this rectangle into unit squares. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I had 15 unit squares. In this rectangle, the length of the rectangle was 5 units. And the breadth was 3 units. And we observed that when we multiply 5 units with 3 units, we get 15 square units. And that is same as the area which we found. We repeated this exercise for another rectangle which had 6 units length and 4 units breadth. And we found the area was 24 unit squares, and which was again equal to 6 units into 4 units. And so looking at this pattern, what we got was the formula for area of rectangle. And that formula was length into breadth. Length 6 units, breadth 4 units. So if I replace these values, length 6 units, breadth 4 units, I get 24 square units, the area of rectangle. If I replace these values, length is 5 units, breadth is 3 units, 5 into 3, 15, I get the area of this rectangle. So thus, this expression L into B became a formula for area of rectangle. And now you can realize that we can create formulas just looking at patterns. Let's do a few examples to see how we can convert a pattern into a formula. Let's say I am using a matchstick to create number 2. Now if I want to create one more number 2 here, if I want to create another one. So when I created one, just one number 2, I needed how many matchsticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I needed 5 matchsticks. When I created 2, then I needed 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I needed 10 matchsticks. For 3, we found I needed 15 matchsticks. And then we can see a pattern here. We can see that number of figures of 2 multiplied by 5 gives me total number of matchsticks needed. And if I call the number of figures of 2 as, let's say, n, then the total number of matchsticks I need is going to be n into 5, or can be written as 5n. And that becomes a formula. Let's do one more. Let's say I want to make a triangle. I make one triangle, how many matchsticks I need? For one triangle, I need 3 matchsticks. I made 2 triangles. For 2 triangles, I need 6 matchsticks. For 3 triangles, I will need 9 matchsticks, and so on. So if I call the number of triangles equal to n, then number of matchsticks I need would be, see, number of triangle 1, then this is equal to 1 into 3. If number of triangles are 2, then this is equal to 2 into 3. If number of triangles are 3, then this is equal to 3 into 3. So this is our number of triangles. So if number of triangles are n triangles, then how many are needed? N into 3. N into 3, or can be written as 3n. So this is a formula to find number of matchsticks needed to make the number of triangles. So this is very simple. Let's see, take a shape where we use or we reuse some of the matchsticks used in earlier shape. For example, I want to make squares. One square. How many matchsticks I need? I need 4 matchsticks. I want to make 2 squares. 2 squares. How many matchsticks I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 matchsticks. If I want to make 3 squares, I need to add 1, 2, 3, 3 more. So 10 matchsticks. And so on, like 4 squares will require 13 matchsticks. 5 squares will require 16 matchsticks. Now, if you see how many matchsticks I'm adding 3. So let's say if I keep these matchsticks aside and say for first square, how many I need? I needed that one which is kept aside plus 3. 1 into 3. 1 square into 3. For 2 matchsticks, I need that one which is kept aside, and I need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 times 3. For 3, again I am keeping this one aside, and I need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the one which is kept aside plus 3 into 3. Same way, 1 which is kept aside in 4 into 3. 1 plus 5 into 3. And this number represents the number of squares I make. So let number of squares be S. If they are S, then number of matchsticks are 1 plus S into 3. Same can be written as 1 plus 3S or 3S plus 1. So now if I want to find how many matchsticks are required, if I want to make 15 squares, what I need to do is replace this S with 15. So to make 15 squares, the matchsticks required are 3 into 15 plus 1, which is 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 1 is 46. We can easily find it without drawing this. So this is power of formulas, and the formulas are derived looking at the patterns, and formulas are nothing but expressions. The value of expression or the value of formula will change based on how many squares I want to draw, or based on what is the length and breadth of the rectangle.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.